For making Rava Dhokla, we need Rava or Semolina, curd or dahi, ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, green chilies, sesame seeds, mustard seeds, Asafoetida or Hing, and fruit salt. First of all, we will take the Suji or Rava in a bowl. Into the Suji, we will add salt to taste, ginger garlic paste, and curd. Mix everything well. Add half cup of water and again mix it well with the Rava mixture. The consistency of the batter should be like this. Cover the batter and let it rest for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we will take an aluminium bowl and grease it with oil. Now let's have a look onto our batter. It's time to add the fruit salt. Here I am adding 2 packets of fruit salt. Add 1 teaspoon of water and then mix everything well. Take care, do not overmix. Now pour this batter into the greased pan. Here we have a pot filled with boiling water. Place a stand like this and then place this bowl into this pot and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Let's have a look onto our Rava Dhokla. Take a knife and insert it into the dhokla to check whether it's completely cooked or not. So our dhokla is perfectly done. Let's prepare the tadka for our dhokla. For that, heat oil in a pan and add mustard seeds, sesame seeds, Asafoetida or Hing, green chilies, and curry leaves. Our tadka is now ready. Add this tadka to our prepared dhokla. Now cut the dhokla into desired shape. I like to keep it square shaped. Our healthy and tasty Rava Dhokla is now ready.